Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to look at a conversation at a Southern-style diner. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a restaurant server. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why do people serve fried chicken with waffles instead of pancakes? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. This is the small restaurant I told you about.
It smells really good in here.
Wait until you see the menu. They have a famous dish here.
What is it?
Fried chicken and waffles.
Fried chicken and waffles? On the same plate?
Yes, together, with syrup, a sweet sauce on top.
Sweet and salty together? That sounds strange to me.
A lot of people say that the first time. Just wait.
I don't know. Chicken is salty, waffles are sweet. Why put them together?
That's the fun part. You get both tastes in one bite.
I don't usually eat sweet and salty food together.
I understand. It felt strange to me, too, at first.
Did you like it right away?
Not right away, but after a few bites, I loved it.
Okay, I trust you. Let's try it.
Great. Let's sit at that table by the window.
This place looks busy. It must be popular.
Yes, people come here every weekend for this dish.
I can smell the chicken from here. It smells amazing.
Wait until it arrives hot, right out of the kitchen.
Okay, I'm getting hungry now.
Me too. Let's order at the counter.
You get the table. I will go order for us.
Perfect. Tell them we want 2 orders of chicken and waffles.
Got it. Anything else I should ask?
Ask about how spicy it is. They have different choices.
How spicy? I didn't know it could be spicy.
Yes, the chicken can be mild or very hot. You choose.
Interesting. I'll ask the person at the counter.
Sounds good. I'll save our seats.
Should I get anything else, like a side dish?
You could ask about cabbage salad or fries. Some people add those too.
What is cabbage salad again? I always forget.
It's a cold salad made with cabbage and a light sauce.
Oh, right. I remember trying that before. It was good.
This place makes it fresh every morning, I heard.
Okay, I might get some for us to share.
Good idea. It's a nice cool side with the hot chicken.
This menu has a lot of choices. I didn't expect that.
Yes, this small restaurant is famous for more than just chicken and waffles.
Maybe we can come back another day and try something else.
I'd like that. Go ahead and order for us now.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, 2 orders of fried chicken and waffles, please.
Great choice. Do you want the classic waffle or the sweet corn waffle?
What's the difference?
The sweet corn waffle has corn inside the soft mix used to make waffles. It's a little sweeter.
I'll try the classic one for both, please.
Sure thing. Now, how spicy do you want the chicken?
I didn't know it could be spicy in different ways.
We have 4 levels: mild, medium, hot, and Nashville hot. That one's really spicy.
What is Nashville hot exactly?
It's chicken with a spicy red sauce on top. It became famous in Nashville, a city in the United States.
That sounds very strong. What do most people choose?
Many first-time visitors choose medium. It has some taste, but it's not too strong.
Okay, let's do medium for both. My friend and I are trying this for the first time.
Good choice. Medium is spicy, but not too spicy.
That's good to hear. Do you want any drinks with that?
2 orange juices, please. Got it. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
No problem, thank you.
Are you visiting the area or do you live here?
I'm visiting. My friend lives here and wanted to show me this place.
Nice. This dish is one of our most popular dishes. I think you'll enjoy it.
I hope so. It's a new food for me.
Don't worry, most people love it after the first bite.
I'll believe you. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. I'll bring it to your table soon.
Great. Thank you so much.
Oh, do you want to add cabbage salad or fries with that?
Yes, could we get one order of cabbage salad to share?
Sure thing. Is that all for today?
I think so. That should be enough food for both of us.
Good choice. The cabbage salad is nice and cool with the hot chicken.
That's what my friend said too.
He's right. A lot of people who come here often order it that way.
Do you get many first-time visitors here?
Yes, quite a lot. This dish brings people from all over.
That makes sense. It smells amazing from the kitchen.
Wait until you taste it. I think you'll be surprised.
I hope so. I'm still a little nervous about it.
Don't worry. Medium is a safe and tasty choice.
How did it go at the counter?
Good. We're getting medium spice. The waiter said it's not too strong.
Perfect choice for your first time.
He also told me about something called Nashville Hot. Have you tried it?
Once. It was too spicy for me, honestly.
Good thing we didn't order that.
While we wait, let me tell you something interesting about the waffle.
Okay, tell me.
Look at the little squares on a waffle. Each one holds the syrup, so every bite gets some.
Oh, I never thought about that. I always thought the squares were just for looks.
No, they have a real reason. The syrup sits inside the small squares instead of running off the plate.
That's actually smart. How long have people done this?
People have made waffles this way for a very long time, in many countries.
So the shape isn't just for fun, it helps hold the taste.
Exactly. And with fried chicken on top, the syrup mixes with the chicken too.
I still can't imagine how that tastes.
Think of it like this. The outside of the chicken is crunchy and salty. The syrup adds sweetness on top.
So every bite has crunchy, salty, and sweet all together?
Yes, exactly. That's why people love it so much.
Okay, now I'm actually excited to try it.
I thought you might change your mind.
We'll see. I still have some worries.
That's fine. Food is more fun when you try new things.
True, I do like trying new food, even when it feels strange at first.
This is a perfect example then.
I hope Marcus was right about the medium spice.
I'm sure he was. We still have a few minutes.
Wait, before it arrives, tell me more about this small restaurant.
Sure. It's been open for many years. My coworker first brought me here.
Did you order the same dish the first time?
Yes, and I felt the same worry you had earlier.
So we're not so different after all.
Not at all. Almost everyone feels unsure before the first bite.
That makes me feel a little better.
Just be ready to try something new. That's the most important part.
Okay, I will. I'm ready to try it now.
Perfect timing, too. Here comes our food. Here it is. Look at that chicken. It's so crispy, hard on the outside, in a good way.
It smells wonderful, and the waffle looks perfect too.
Let's add the syrup first, then try a bite together.
Okay, pour some on my plate too.
Here you go. Now take a piece with both chicken and waffle.
Like this?
Yes, exactly like that.
Okay, here I go.
How is it?
Oh, wow, that's really good actually.
I told you.
The chicken is so crispy, and then the sweet syrup comes right after.
See? Sweet and salty can work well together.
I'm surprised. I didn't expect those tastes together.
Try another bite. It gets better each time.
Oh no, it's falling off.
What happened?
The syrup is running down my hand.
Here, use this napkin.
Thank you. I wasn't ready for that.
It happens to everyone the first time. This dish is a little messy.
Nobody warned me about that part.
Sorry, I should have told you.
It's okay. The taste makes it worth it.
See? You're already smiling.
I am. This is much better than I expected.
I'm glad. Try some of the chicken by itself now.
Okay, let me try that too.
How does it taste alone?
Really good. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Now you understand why people love this dish.
I think I'm starting to understand, yes.
Do you want to try some cabbage salad with it too?
Yes, let's add a little on the side.
Here, try a small bite together with the chicken.
Oh, that's a nice change. It's cool and a little sour.
It tastes good with the hot chicken.
I like that mix. This whole plate has so many tastes.
That's the fun of this dish. Every bite feels a little different.
I can see why people come back for this again and again.
Are you glad we ordered it now?
Yes, very glad. I was wrong to worry so much.
It's okay. New food can feel a little scary sometimes.
True, but this was worth it.
How spicy is the medium level for you?
It's just right. Not too strong, but I can taste it.
Good. Some people here like it much spicier.
I remember Marcus talking about Nashville hot. That sounds too much for me.
Yes, that one is very strong. I don't think I could finish a whole plate of that.
Maybe next time, if I feel brave.
Let me show you something else people do here.
What's that?
Some people here even mix hot sauce into the syrup, sweet and spicy together.
Really? That sounds like too much at once.
It's actually really good. Do you want to try a little?
Okay, just a small amount for me.
Here, I'll add a few drops to your syrup.
Okay, let's see how this tastes.
Go ahead, try it on your next bite.
Oh, that's different. The sweetness comes first, then a little heat after.
See what I mean? The two tastes work together.
This whole meal is full of surprises.
That's why I wanted to bring you here.
I'm really happy you did.
Do you want more hot sauce in the syrup, or is that enough?
That's enough for me, but it was fun to try.
I understand. Not everyone likes it that strong.
I think I still prefer the plain syrup a little more.
That's totally fine. There's no wrong way to enjoy this dish.
I'm glad we ordered medium. It was the right choice for me.
I agree. You can always try something spicier next time.
Maybe. I'll think about it.
We'll see about that.
This has been such a fun meal. I'm glad you brought me here.
I'm glad too. I really wanted you to try it.
You were right about everything, especially the tastes working together.
I had a feeling you would enjoy it once you tried it.
Next time, I want to try the sweet corn waffle too.
That's a great choice. It adds even more sweetness to the plate.
I have so many new ideas already.
We can come back soon and try something different.
I would really like that. This place is full of surprises.
Should we get the check now?
Yes, let's go pay at the counter.
Hi again. Are you all finished here?
Yes, we're ready to pay now.
Great. That will be $22.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. So, what did you think?
Honestly, I loved it. I didn't expect that.
That's what most people say the first time.
At first, I thought sweet and salty together sounded strange.
You did seem a little nervous at the counter.
Right, but after the first bite, that feeling went away.
What changed your mind?
The crispy chicken with the sweet syrup was so different from what I imagined. It just worked.
I'm happy to hear that. It's one of my favorite dishes here, too.
I also tried a little hot sauce mixed into the syrup.
Oh, nice. Did you like that?
It was interesting, but I still liked the plain syrup more.
That's very normal. Everyone has their own favorite way.
Thank you for telling me how spicy it is earlier. Medium was perfect for me.
I'm glad it was good.
Honestly, this was much better than I expected when we walked in.
That makes me really happy to hear.
I think I understand now why this dish is so popular.
Will you come back and visit us again?
Yes, definitely. Next time, maybe I'll try a spicier level.
We'll be ready for you. Oh, one more thing. Did you like the cold cabbage salad?
Yes, we finished it all.
Nice. I'm glad.
Thank you again for all your help today.
Of course. It was great talking with you.
Sam and I will come back for sure.
We'll be happy to see you both again soon.
Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too. Take care and enjoy the rest of your trip.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why do people serve fried chicken with waffles instead of pancakes? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.